Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all your Discord messages, whether it's your direct messages with someone or all of your messages on a specific server. You can use this method whether you're a technical or a non-technical person. You can use the exe file if you're on Windows and use the .app file if you're on Mac OS. Or you can also check out the source code and run it yourself. I will include the link in the description. I've written the code with Python and it's pretty easy to use. But before we start, if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe and support me on Patreon, because right now I'm a broke college student that can really use some help. Alright, so first we're going to open this link, which I will also include in the link in the description so you can follow along. And then we will scroll down. So this is the source code of the project, and if you're a programmer or you want to try it yourself, you can use it this way. But for simplicity's sake, we're going to download the program that I've exported and do it that way. So right now I'm on Windows, and I don't have a Mac OS actually, but my friend Kat, which is one of the contributors, helped me to export the .app file. So a huge shout out to him, and I will also include his YouTube channel in the link. He's a very cool guy. So we're going to open this link to download the Windows exe, and we're going to scroll down and download this file. We wait for the download to finish. And here are the instructions. First, we need to download the zip file, which we're actually doing it right now. Then we need to extract the folder and then run the dmd.exe to start the application. Alright, once the download's finished, I'm going to open the downloads folder and copy this file. And I'm going to copy it here. And I'm just going to extract it right here. And let's close this. Alright, so we're going to open this file, and run the exe. Now, as you can see, it says to paste your Discord fetch command here. So, let me explain to you how this works. Suppose you want to delete any of these direct messages, or you want to delete your messages on a specific channel or server. So let's say I want to delete my messages on this server called Flit. The first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on these three dots and come down and select Developer Tools. On the Network tab, make sure you're on Network tab, and filter by Fetch and XHR. And then click here and search from a specific user. And then search your own username, which in my case, my username is Mr. Django. As you can see, all my messages would appear here, and I have about 578 messages in this specific server. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this as fetch. Now, to explain to you simply, this is a kind of a HTTP response and request. So you request for all of the messages based on your own username, and Discord servers would send it to you. Now, this has a method, and we're going to use the same method to find all of the messages that we have on this server and then delete all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it here as fetch, and make sure not to share this with anyone. This program is really safe. You don't have to worry about anything. It is actually run in the RAM, so as soon as it finishes, all of the stored data will disappear on your computer, on your local computer. But the thing to keep in mind is that you should never share this with anyone. So I'm going to click on Start Cleaning. So first it will fetch. It says it has found 25 messages because every time it's going to find 25 messages in one batch. It's going to sleep for 10 seconds, so wait for 10 seconds, and then it's going to start deleting messages. So as you can see, it is deleting all of these messages. Success, success. And it's going to continue until all of the messages are deleted. So once these 25 messages are deleted, it's going to start a new batch, and then a new batch. Every time it starts a new 25 messages batch until all of them are finished. So as you can see right now, 8 messages were deleted, and let me close it. So remember these messages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to search again. And as you can see, all of those messages were deleted. And it was deleted automatically, and I have tested this method, and on a specific server I had about 150 messages, and it deleted all of those successfully. So if we continue to let the program run, it will eventually delete all of the messages. Now let's test it on a direct message with someone. So as you can see right now, I'm in my direct messages, and I'm here with this person, Thanos. I don't actually remember who this person was and what we were talking about as I was reading the messages, but I put a black highlight so for privacy reasons. So again, the same method. First, we're going to open the DevTools on the Network tab, filter by fetch, and I'm going to search for my own username. It's going to search for all of the messages. I'm going to copy this as fetch. I'm going to close this. And I'm going to paste it in a new fresh opened program. So I'm going to click on Start Cleaning. So it says that it fetched 25 messages. It's going to sleep or wait for 10 seconds, and then it's going to start deleting the messages. So as you can see, it's deleting the messages. So right here, and it will continue to do this until all of the messages are deleted. So I hope this video would be helpful to you, and if you had any questions, just ask me in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.